the way that the larger design of this land is. You've got the kind of main gully coming down, and it collects in an area that when that area fills up, it sends the water around through these two big swales. So they're kind of really more water channels. They function as water channels when we've had a really extreme rain event. And I mean, yeah, essentially they're ways of slowing the movement of water across the land and collecting it.
We haven't planted them up yet. That's the ideal thing to do with swales, because then any water you catch goes directly into biological life. So when our first tree planting season comes around in this late autumn, we'll hopefully get some trees on the swales. But they've already started to plant themselves up with some of these wild flowers.